In this video, I am going to teach you how to create Go Back button in card.go. So in order to create your Go Back button, first thing you need to do is make sure that you have card.go website. So for example, head over to card.go and then you can choose a starting point, which typically means signing up and also designing at the same time. And you can also choose from logging in. So if you already have an account, you can log in. So since I already have an account, let me head over and click onto this login option right there. Now this will show me in here my dashboard and it will show me my website that I already have. So I have in here my own website. Now what we can do is we can head over and then just add in here an icon. So let's click onto this plus icon, click onto this icon option, or you can also choose from a button option. So for this case, I'll just choose icons. And then from in there, you can choose from several icon options that we have. It can be email, it can be other icons like document and the likes. So I'll head over and find in here an arrow icon that I want. So it can serve as your back button like this. Let's choose in here arrow left. Now let's put in here this button on the page just like this. This will serve as our back button. Now onto the URL right here, instead of an actual URL, we need to input right here browser. So let's input that browser and then input a colon back. Then just unexpand that and click on done. Click onto the save option right here in order to publish your site and it should be able to be added as a back button. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.